Krishna. I'm Aishwarya Padman. I joined this course Bhakti Sadachar by knowing it from the internet, the Facebook page of VIHE. I always wanted to have some foundation, some background before doing Bhakti, the devotional service. So when I joined Bhakti Sadachar, it really helped me because it gave me the scientific reasons why we are doing this devotional service. And as we all know that Srila Prabhupada wanted all of us to be Bhakti Vedantas, and the hearing, the Shravanam is the first devotional service. So I really liked it here because the atmosphere here in Vrindavan, in Raman Reddy, where Krishna came with his cowherd boys to graze. And so it's really nice here to study, and I think it's necessary for all of us to take this initial step of Bhakti Sadachar because that's the basics for Bhakti Shastri and Bhakti Vaibhav. And this course really helps us to improve our devotional service because we don't have to blindly follow anything. We need to know what the scientific aspect of it. So the teachers here are so friendly. We have a friendly atmosphere here, and we are able to know more about Krishna and his devotees. And the best thing about the course, I like this Leelamrit class, which is the life story of Srila Prabhupada. And that's written by Satswarup Das Goswami, and it really touched me because to know the founder Acharya of ISKCON and to know his pastimes, because Krishna says more than him we should serve his devotees. So to know more about Bhakti Vedanta Swami, it's like a boon to us because we can know more about ISKCON, how much he have gone through his life. And it really helped me to improve my chanting, everything. And there's morning programs here. There are so many things which helps us here. On Mondays we have weekly Kirtan, which helps us to get a taste in the Harinam. And it really helped me to improve my japa, to improve my sadhana, and I'm looking forward for more courses here. And I recommend each and every one of you to take advantage of this course at VIHE because that's what we need, because that's the true education or true knowledge which we have. And I recommend this strongly to all of you. Thank you. Hare Krishna. Please do come to this VIHE and make the most advantage of this place. And we have Gomatas here. You can feed them, you can play with them. It's really nice, and Krishna will love your service.